So the electrician just left, which means that we can get started on our next DIY project. Vintage party lights for around the fire pit.
Now, we knew we wanted a semicircle around the back end of our fire pit. So when it's too warm for a fire, we can still enjoy that area of the backyard on those long summer nights with friends. Step 1, locate position for posts. So once we marked out the area for our posts, it's time to dig. Step 2, let's dig.
We chose 10-foot 4x4 pressure-treated posts, and we wanted them to stand 8 feet tall, so we dug our holes 2 feet deep.
All right, posts are marked for a 2 feet deep hole. That hole's 24 inches deep. That means it's time for concrete.
I'll get the water if you get the concrete.
Step 3, add concrete.
After you pour your concrete into the holes, just add water and use the rebar to pack it around the posts.
And make sure to use your post level so that you know that the posts are setting straight in the concrete. Step 4, hang lights. Since I don't have a nail apron, I just grabbed this from the kitchen.
Looking good, babe.
After you've put all the nails in the posts, you just hang the lights from the posts and screw in the bulbs. All right, plugging it in.
Wow, they look so good. These will be great in the summer even when it's too hot to have a fire pit. But if we stay out here much longer tonight, we're gonna need to build a fire. Well done, babe.
Nice job yourself.
Our fire pit and vintage party lights look so great. What are we going to do next weekend?
I think we should work on resting.
That's a lovely idea. Or we could cut down some of the trees out back to clear out for our garden.
I'm gonna have to get a chainsaw.
Babe, the trees are this big around.
I know, imagine how fast that chainsaw is gonna cut them down.
Okay, we don't want to spend the weekend in the hospital.
Yeah, that's a fair point. Mm-hmm. Besides, we don't want to scare Waffle.
Who's Waffle?
Our fire pit.
Okay, seriously?
I named him Waffle.
Mm-hmm.
That's a funny name for a dog.
Shh.
Can I get a chainsaw though for reals?
Okay.
Yes.
See you next time.